If you're running a voice AI agency on VAPI and trying to manage clients inside GoHighLevel, this video is for you. You built an incredible AI, but you're probably stuck sending messy Airtable links to show your clients how it's performing. We got so obsessed with fixing this exact problem that we spent the last 2 years building the ultimate solution. Today, we've helped over 600 agencies, just like yours, process over $500,000 in automated client billing through our system. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use that exact system to create a fully branded Whitelabel dashboard and plug it directly into your GoHighLevel sub accounts in minutes. This is how you stop looking like a freelancer and start operating like a product company overnight. No code, no developers. Let's get into it. So when you're selling to businesses, presentation matters. They aren't just paying for tech. They are paying for a professional, seamless experience with concrete outcome. But relying on the default VAPI setup creates 5 major roadblocks for any scaling agency. First, there's no white labeling. Your clients are stuck seeing VAPI's branding, not yours. It positions you as a reseller, not a premium solution provider. Second, VAPI dashboard is built for developers. It's great for us as builders, but it's overwhelming and confusing for a non-technical client. And third, I'll say this is the biggest one. You have to manually track usage, calculate invoices, and chase payments every single month. It's a huge operational bottleneck. On top of that, VAPI dashboard has limited analytics. It's difficult to prove the true value of your agent when you cannot build custom KPIs or reports your clients actually understand, like booked appointment and some other stuff. And last but not least, it's not mobile friendly. If your client tries to track their agent's performance on their phone, the experience breaks. I see so many agencies sending spreadsheet reports and Stripe links to clients. It is time consuming, unprofessional, and this is exactly why we built ChatDash. Now let's create your first custom dashboard for your VAPI agents. Head over to chatdash.com and create your trial account. And once you select your trial account, you should be able to see this onboarding page, and this onboarding process will walk you through step by step how you can set up your first customer facing dashboard for your VAPI agents. And click on next. And in here, you can customize your agency's branding, including agency logo, agency name, domain, and color theme. So if you have your agency logo already and the domain of your website, you can add it. But if you don't, you can just use our default logo and default subdomain for now, and you can change it afterwards. And for this demo, I'm going to be using purple as my agency color. Click on next. And in the second step, you'll be asked to add your first agent. There are multiple agent platforms we support, but in this case, I'm going to select VAPI. And all you need to do is bring in these 2 API keys from VAPI, private API key and public API key. And I will show you where to retrieve this information. So once you log into your VAPI dashboard, you want to go to API keys tab, and there's a private key and public key. And I'm just going to copy all of them. Copy and copy. And come back to ChatDash and paste each API key. Let's verify. So once you put in correct information, you should be able to see all the agents available in the workspace here. And I will just select this ChatDash Assistant and click on Add Agent, confirm, and click on Next. Now let's add a first client account. So there's a client, and underneath you can add a member. So think of client as your client's company name. So let's say ABC org, for example. And in here, this is where actual person's name goes into. And let's say test client for now. And I'm going to be using the default password. And let's create client. So client account has been successfully created. And click on next. And your basic setup is done. So your client dashboard will be available through this domain, the default domain we got from ChatDash. And this is the login ID and password. You can share it to your client. But since we are going to embed our client dashboard into GoHighLevel, your client wouldn't need this information because ChatDash client dashboard will be loaded as a custom menu inside GoHighLevel automatically. So I will just walk you through how to set that up. And let's click on finish. Now I'm in an agency dashboard where I can manage my clients and agents. And as I said, my custom dashboard is available through this domain. And you should be able to see your first client has been successfully created. On the Clients tab, you should be able to see your first agent you added during onboarding process. So we have created a client, an agent, and connected these two entities. And let's take a quick tour on client dashboard. Let's click on preview and you will see the exact client dashboard your client will see once they log in. So there's analytics, conversations, knowledge base, and some other stuff. So analytics page is where your client can see all the KPIs. Obviously, there are generic metrics right now, but you can always add charts based on the end of core report analysis. In conversations tab, this is where your clients can see all the call transcripts and listen to call recordings like this. And in knowledge base tab, this is where they can manage their knowledge base attached to the AI agent. Now you can also add a custom menu. You can basically add any type of iframe or HTML as a separate sidebar menu. And leasing campaigns, I'm not diving into this for now, but basically allows you to create an outbound calling campaign using your VAPI agent. So let's exit preview. And now we have looked at the client dashboard, but how do we actually embed this client dashboard into your GoHighLevel sub account? In order to do that, you want to go to client detail, go to embed URL, and you want to create an embed URL for your registered domain. So in here, if you're using GoHighLevel, you're probably using your custom domain for your GoHighLevel portal. So please add that, not the default GoHighLevel URL. Otherwise, you will not be able to see the customer-facing dashboard in your GoHighLevel account. But in my case, since I'm using default GoHighLevel domain, I'll just add this. Another caveat is that, as this says, do not add HTTP or HTTPS or any trailing path. You just want to add the domain name itself. And you want to click on register. And we have just created embed domain for your GHL sub account. And you just want to copy embed URL. And I will paste this embed URL into my GoHighLevel sub account. So in order to add ChatDash Whitelabel dashboard into your sub account's custom menu link, you want to switch to an agency view and go to settings and scroll down a little bit to locate custom menu links here and click on create new, and you can select whatever the icon you want. Yeah, I'm just going to select a random icon for now, just like this. The link title is going to be AI agent dashboard. And URL, I just paste the embed URL here. And then when clicked open link within the current window was an embedded page. Yeah, this is what I want. And you want to select sub account. Since this dashboard is for ChatDash, I'm gonna only display this custom menu link to ChatDash sub account. And for visibility, I'm gonna select all, and I'm gonna allow microphone and camera as well. And click on save. And let's look at our client sub account. Let's go to ChatDash and scroll down a little bit. And as you can see, there's a menu called AI Agent Dashboard. And this is the custom menu we just created. If I click on this, yeah, it's showing the exact same dashboard within GHL. And of course, they can see analytics, they can see conversation, knowledge base, and everything. So now we have embedded our VAPI agent customer-facing dashboard within GHL sub-account. And now I'm going to show you how you can automate billing for this AI agent based on usage. So in order to do that, what you want to do is navigating to Stripe billing, and you need to connect your Stripe account for sure. And I've already done that. And you want to go to active products, click on create product, and you can give a product name, for example, voice AI, ultimate, whatever you want to call it. And we support 3 different pricing models: base subscription fee, usage-based, and one-time. And base subscription fee allows you to charge your customer monthly retainer with included minutes, overage per minute rate. And usage-based is very simple. You're basically charging your customer purely on usage per minute. And one-time is for a one-time setup fee or one-time project build fee. And in this video, I'm just going to use base subscription fee because I think it is the most common pricing model agencies use. So I'm gonna charge like $300 monthly retainer, and I'm gonna add 1,000 minutes for this package and for overage price. So if the usage exceeds 1,000 minutes, I'm gonna be charging 25 cents per minute USD, and click on create. So I just created this product called Voice AI Ultimate. And in order to create a subscriptions for the client, you go to subscriptions and click on create subscription. Select client. This is the first client we just edit, and click on the agent you want to charge and select the product we just added. So as you can see here, we're charging them $300 per month, monthly retainer, no matter how much they use, up until 1,000 minutes. And after that, we're going to be charging, actually, I just made it $25 per minute, but I meant 25 cents per minute. I should have added zero in front of the number. But anyways, this is just for the demo. So Voice AI Ultimate, and I'm going to start a subscription right now, today. And I'm also going to collect tax automatically. My country is US, United States. Postal code, I'll just type in whatever the number, create subscription. Never mind, I'm not gonna collect tax automatically. Just create subscription. So yeah, I just created a subscription for this client and for this agent specifically. And let me show you what the process looks like from a customer perspective. So let's say I'm a customer and I'm logged into the GHL dashboard. If I click on AI agent dashboard, the dashboard is loaded with this prompt. So I can only get access to the dashboard after adding a payment information. And after your client adds a payment information here, ChatDash will automatically track usage and charge your customer on autopilot without you lifting a finger. So there you have it. Instead of spending thousands of dollars and months on custom development, you can have a professional client-facing experience live today. This isn't just about looking better. It's about saving time on menu reporting and billing, reducing maintenance headaches with a self-serve portal, creating a premium offering that justifies higher prices. Again, over $500,000 in client payments have flowed through our engine because this system just works. Click the link in the description to start your free trial. You can have your first Whitelabel dashboard set up before the end of the day. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on scaling your AI agency. I'll see you in the next video.